Hey there, fellow Google Ads enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of Auction Insights, a tool that can help you smartly outmaneuver your competitors and ultimately enhance your return on investment, ROI. Auction Insights is a hidden gem in Google Ads that allows you to compare your ads' performance to those of your competitors. It gives you valuable information about the average position and impression share of your ads against other ads in a specific location. Now, you might be wondering how this data can help improve your ROI. Well, let's say your impression share is relatively low compared to other advertisers. This could mean that either your bids are too low or that you have some ad disapprovals. In this case, increasing your bids or addressing any disapproved ads can lead to a higher impression share and potentially better ad position. On the other hand, if your average position is high, but you're still not reaching as many impressions as other advertisers, it's likely that your bids could be even higher. By upping your bids, you can potentially boost your impression share and average position even more. And don't forget, if you do make any changes in Google Ads based on Auction Insights data, always use experiment tools or ad labeling to keep everything organized and trackable. So there you have it. Auction Insights is a powerful tool that can help you gain valuable insights into how to outwit your competitors and increase your Google Ads ROI. Give it a try and see the results for yourself. As always, thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to leverage Google Ads. Happy advertising!